Get ready for the latest updates to Social Security. In this video, we're breaking down what's changing in October 2024 and how it will impact your benefits in 2025. From cost of living adjustment increases to new rules and regulations, we're covering it all. Whether you're a retiree, disabled worker, or simply planning for the future, you won't want to miss this important information. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay informed and up to date on the latest Social Security news and changes. Hello, and welcome to the Confident Wealth Solution, where we deliver proven strategies that help you confidently create, expand, and manage your wealth. My name is Karen Kitt. I'm a retired teacher with over 13 years of experience in the financial services industry. Today, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about the upcoming changes in Social Security this October so you can plan for your future with confidence. October is just around the corner, and as we all know, it's a crucial month for Social Security beneficiaries. Every year, the Social Security Administration reviews and adjusts certain aspects of the program, and this October is no exception. In fact, there are some significant changes coming our way, and I'm excited to share them with you today. Social Security is a complex system, and even the slightest adjustments can have a significant impact on your benefits. First, let's talk about the COLA, the cost of living adjustment. The Social Security Administration announced that benefits, including supplemental security income or SSI payments, will increase by about 2.5% in 2025. This increase will affect more than 72.5 million Americans. That includes retirees, disabled individuals, and other Social Security recipients. So, what does that mean in practical terms? Well, on average, Social Security retirement benefits will increase by about $50 per month starting in January. For many of you, that can make a real difference in covering monthly expenses, especially given the rising costs we've all seen lately. Now let's break down how this COLA, cost of living adjustment, is calculated and why it changes each year. Well, the Social Security Act connects the annual COLA, cost of living adjustment, to an inflation measure called the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, or CPIW. This index is tracked by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, and it's meant to adjust benefits to keep up with the rising costs of goods and services. Over the last decade, the average COLA increase has been around 2.6%. So this year's increase of 2.5% is a bit lower than last year's 3.2% bump. These numbers fluctuate depending on inflation trends, so it's a reminder of how economic shifts can impact Social Security benefits directly. Now, when will you see the increase? Here's the timeline. For nearly 68 million people receiving Social Security, the 2.5% COLA increase will start in January 2025. For those on supplemental security income, SSI, nearly 7.5 million individuals, you'll see this increase slightly earlier on December 31st, 2024, just in time for the new year. Now, there's another exciting change, a new improved COLA notice. For the first time ever, Social Security beneficiaries will get a redesigned COLA notice that's simpler, clearer, and only on one page. This new format is aimed at making the essential details like dates, dollar amounts, and any deductions easy to find. This improvement will help people understand their benefits better without sifting through complex paperwork. For even faster access, those with a My Social Security account can view their COLA notice online. So, not only is it secure, but it's also quicker than waiting for a paper notice. And if you like getting notifications, you can set up text or email alerts so you'll know exactly when your COLA notice is ready to review online. If you've been following this channel, you know that I always stress the importance of having a solid understanding of Social Security benefits. It's essential to know how your benefits are calculated, what types of benefits you're eligible for, and how to optimize your strategy for maximum returns. These changes may seem small, but they reflect important shifts in Social Security that can impact your finances over time. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this training helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and leave a comment below. At the Confident Wealth Solution, we're here to help you navigate your financial future with confidence.